Hello everyone, welcome to my monologue presentation. And before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Igede Sentana Suwardana. I'm from 3A class. Next slide. Okay, and the purpose of this video is as a requirement for the final test for teaching English as a foreign language, and also explain about one of the learning strategy, skill, scope, implementation, strength, and limitation. Next slide. Okay, the first is a skill. The skill that will be taught in the activity that I will explain later is reading skill and writing skill. And then the scope in this activity is to 7th grade junior high school. And the material that I choose or discuss in this activity was narrative text. And the theory relevant in this activity is teaching reading, especially DRTA or direct reading and thinking activities, and the implementation. In this activity, there are 8 steps of the strategy and have 4 tools or media. The first step is the teacher explain briefly and clearly about the narrative text material. And then the teacher give an example of narrative text to the student, and student are asked to read and identify the characteristic of the narrative text. And then after reading and understanding the given narrative text, student identify the structure in the given narrative text. And after that, students are asked to conclude the content of the narrative text that has been given. And after that, the students are given the opportunity to show their work in this meeting. And next is the teacher evaluates the learning process today. And in the last meeting, the teacher gives the task to students to practice making narrative text with the them of personal experience, at least 2 paragraphs. And the students shall upload their work in Google Classroom no later than next week's. And there are 4 tools or media in this activity. The first is PowerPoint. Second is HP or laptop. And then is the example of narrative text, maybe from books or from internet. And the last one is Google Classroom. Next slide, please. Okay, in this slide, I will explain about the strength and the weakness in this activity. And the strength in this activity is, in this activity can create active reading activities, increase a student enthusiasm for reading, and able to improve student ability to analyze a text or book. And the last is improve student reasoning about the idea that they have. And the weakness is wasting a lot of time if the class was not efficient, requires a teacher to be knowledgeable. And the last is must provide reading books which are sometimes beyond the ability of the school. Next slide, please. Okay, that's all for my presentation. I hope you enjoy watching my video. And at the last, after you watching my video, I hope you understand about the material that I present. And I hope also you can reading more book or information in your life. Thank you.